Governor Rick Scott visiting the Suncoast this morning. He met with employees of Intertape Polymer Group in Sarasota to highlight job growth. ABC 7's Dwayne Lindo is live in Sarasota with more on the governor's objective. Dwayne?
Well, that's right, Scott. The governor spent a few hours here at IPG, one of the largest manufacturers in North America. He chose this location due to the growth of the company within the past decade with two major objectives. One, job growth. Two, stopping the spread of the Zika virus.
Yeah, I love it here. Love it here, love this company, it's awesome.
Employees of IPG had a chance to talk one-on-one with the governor, discussing everything from company objectives to job descriptions.
We get to manage the pricing on this side, so all the money happens over here.
But Scott's main focus was discussing the amount of jobs he says he's brought to the state.
We've added 1,127,000 jobs in 5 years and 6 months.
Well over 1 million jobs, partly due to meeting with private sector businesses around the country, encouraging them to move to Florida. Scott says due to the endeavor, the state is down an unemployment rate of 4.7%.
If you look at CEO Magazine, we're barely behind Texas. We're number 2 as far as perception. That's perception. Now, when you go back and look at the numbers, cutting taxes 55 times, reducing 4,200 regulations.
CEO of IPG, Greg Yull, says he saw the potential Florida could bring prior to Scott taking office. With the tape and film manufacturing company now boasting more than 2,200 employees, Yull credits Scott with his company setting a foundation for the future.
We relocated our executive offices to Florida in 1997 to take advantage of a business-friendly environment, a growing community, and quite frankly, a fantastic place to live.
In regard to Florida's Zika epidemic, Scott accuses the federal government of lagging in providing assistance.
Look, the President and Congress have got to come together. They've not been a good partner. We funded at the state level $26.2 million. I had the authority, emergency authority to be able to do that.
Scott says he also asked the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention for help to stop the spreading of the virus.
I've asked for 10,000 more Zika preparedness kits for the pregnant women in our state. We have very good mosquito control efforts all around the state. We have very good county health departments. We got a great state health department. I'm going to continue to allocate the state resources that's necessary.
Now, Scott also addressed the virus affecting tourism. He simply says, as governor, he wants to make sure everyone is informed and prepared. Reporting live in Sarasota, Dwayne Lindo, your Suncoast News.